Well, they have to be here somewhere.
Anything? Did you find it? They're not here.
I can't just get up and walk away.
All right, only...
A broadcast or cable system has issued a required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Idaho, at 12:14 a.m. on March 3rd, 2022, effective until 12:34 a.m. This DisneyDVD is enhanced with Disney's Fast Play. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass Fast Play, select the main menu button at any time. Fast Play will begin in a moment.
$13 more hours to go.
M&M's. Can't resist them.
You're gonna have to hold it.